Welcome back to Isola Tech Spot. Today we're diving into the brand new iPhone 16. Stick around to discover all the exciting features and upgrades that make this phone a game changer. First up, let's talk about the stunning new design. The iPhone 16 boasts a sleeker, more refined look with an even thinner bezel. And the display? It's a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology, offering buttery smooth scrolling and incredibly vibrant colors.
Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is powered by the A18 Bionic chip, the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. This means lightning-fast performance and improved energy efficiency, giving you longer battery life to keep up with your day.
Photography enthusiasts, you're going to love this. The iPhone 16 features a new 108-megapixel main sensor with advanced low-light capabilities and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Plus, the improved night mode and ProRAW options allow for stunning professional-quality shots anytime, anywhere. iOS 18 brings a host of new software features that complement the iPhone 16's hardware. From customizable widgets and enhanced privacy settings to seamless multitasking capabilities, iOS 18 ensures a smooth and secure user experience. Stay connected faster than ever with the iPhone 16's enhanced 5G capabilities. And with the new MagSafe accessories, wireless charging and connectivity are more efficient and stylish. Plus, the iPhone 16 is now equipped with advanced water and dust resistance, making it more durable for everyday adventures. That's a wrap on the iPhone 16's exciting new features and upgrades. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Isola Tech Spot for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next video.